Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to share with you some project ideas that I made using the paper collection, fairies, and butterflies. Now I got this idea, I scrap lifted this idea from Craft Purge. I've seen a video of hers in which she used these tag dies to make a caddy, except hers is a lot taller, and so I thought that was a really cute idea. Now I did do something a little bit different. What I've done is I went ahead and I trimmed off about an inch or perhaps two, I don't remember. Maybe I trimmed a couple of inches, 2 inches off of that, or an inch. I think it was an inch, I'm sorry. Just to make it easier to fit in the boxes for shipping. You know, those 6x6 boxes that you get at Walmart. That way you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for shipping, right? When you're doing swaps and whatnot, or just gifting it to somebody. So I really like the way this came out. I went ahead and I embellished it with different embellishments that I have on the website. This is from a Valentine's paper collection that I embellish it with right here, as you can see. This is from the Fairies and Butterflies and Fairies and Butterflies. And I even did the bottom. And what I did over here at the bottom, I have like a ton of these. So I just hot glued them to the bottom, making sure that the little hole is vertically. That way, when it's sitting like so, you don't see the little hole. Okay, and I use straws. These I got years ago at Tuesday morning. And so, yeah, and just with like my scrap papers, what I've done is I made some note cards. As you can see, they're kind of like various in size. This is from the Cutie Patooties paper collection that I have, just scraps, you know. Note cards are really perfect for scraps. So that way you can gift stuff to somebody. And of course, this is from the Fairies and Butterflies, Cutie Patooties, Cutie Patooties, Cutie Patooties, and so forth. And so I thought that this perhaps makes a really great gifting idea to somebody who's graduating either college or high school, because sometimes, you know, kids need a quick thank you card, and a thank you card is way better than a text, you know, because you can always display it on a desk or something. You can't display a text, you know. And so I went ahead and I embellished it with stickers from my stash and just flowers that I've been hanging on to for years, you know, just stuff from my stash. I just wanted to use stuff up. And also what I did, once again, I got a ton of these guys that I've been collecting throughout the years, and so I decided to go ahead and add this dangle embellishment, just kind of like as a something cute to look at, you know, because obviously this is going to go on somebody's desk. And so that was one. And taking once again Craft Purge's idea, I went ahead and I looked at other tag dies that I have, and I came across one of my Spellbinders dies. This is an old die from Becca Feekin. It's called the Vintage Elegance, and I will try to find it. If I can find it, I'll go ahead and link you to it down below. And I know that these are available at Amazon, and I'll go ahead and link you to my Amazon page down below as well. And so I used this one, and as you can see, I went ahead and I snipped it off about an inch once again, because it's easier to mail them out that way, and just use flowers from my stash. And so just stuff that I've been hanging on to that there's really no reason for me to hang on to. And so this is from this very same paper collection over here, and I'll go ahead and link you to that, and I'll link you to Fairies and Butterflies. It's really cute. And once again, tons of paper straws from way back when. And I went ahead and I added a dangle jewelry embellishment for this one. I thought it was really cute, especially when in displays like that. And these are just a bunch of little note cards that I send to people whenever I send them a cute collection or something. And so I thought these would make really great displays. Like I said, I've got a ton of these guys that I've just been collecting through the years, and some that I got recently. And I'm going to go ahead and put them on my website. As you can see, most of the stuff that I have is pastel. And trust me, these are going to be priced so cheaply that you're going to want to go ahead and get you not one, but a few. Okay, and so you're going to get 10 per baggie, and you're going to find these under the Embellishments tab. So yeah, I think that is all that I have for you today. Go ahead and check out my links in the description area below, and have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Bye bye.